Everyone, how are you guys? Welcome to another video. As you can tell by the title, this is going to be my unstuffing, technically for February because I never did my unstuffing for February. So here we are today with it, and I only had a few transactions, as you can see. So we're just gonna pull these amounts right here out of my sinking funds. Before we get into that, I do want to thank you guys for continuing to watch my videos. It means the world, even though I've been kind of absent here on YouTube. I'm more active on my Instagram, so you can keep up with my personal one if you would like to. It's always linked down below, but if I'm gonna be completely transparent with you guys, I was like depressed and that's the easiest way for me to explain it to you. I have these moments and like just these like phases that I get into. I'm in my head so much that I get depressed. I don't know what to film. I don't know what to talk about. And yeah, but I'm feeling a lot better and I appreciate your guys' support. So thank you so much for subscribing. And if you're not subscribed and you enjoy this content, please do. But let's just jump right into it. It's going to be a quick video because I don't have too much to unstuff here. But yeah, let's just jump into it. So I'm going to start off with my short-term binder because that's where the pet care is. So I spent $26.20 out of pet care for food and treats. Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I technically need like $27, and as you guys can see, we have some pretty big bills here. Should we go through and see what we can change? Okay, let's just do this. I need smaller bills. So I honestly don't know if I'll be able to find, okay, here we go. Let's do 2 20s and a 10 for 50 out of my beauty envelope. I'm actually getting my hair cut this week. Okay, so now we have some smaller bills to work with. So let's go back to pet care. Sorry, you guys. This is what happens when like I bill exchange too much. I just realized we have 2 transactions under pet care, and adding them together, $26.20 and $14, it's pretty much $40.20. So I'm just gonna round down to $40. So we're gonna take out 2 20s and put that right there. So we can check off this transaction and this transaction. So easy peasy. So what we have left in pet care is 50, 100, 120, 130, 131. 131 left in pet care, which is a nice amount. Again, I'm probably gonna have to get smaller bills in here, but I guess we'll just do it as we go like we did today. Okay, so those are the only 2 transactions out of my short-term binder. Now we have my long-term, and we only have 1 transaction out of here, and this is for bachelorette. So my cousin's bachelorette party is now in July. Some things moved around, dates changed and all of that, but I have to pull out pretty much $280, and that money went towards the yacht that we rented. My cousin rented a yacht, and yeah, that was my portion of it. So I did have a $1,000 placeholder in here, but since we have to take out more money, I took out that $1,000 placeholder and I replaced it with $1,000 in cash in different denominations, different bills, because I know I'm spending out of this more frequently, especially over the next few months. So let's bring out 280 or close to it. 50, 150, 200, 250, 270, and 280. Okay, let's just make sure that is correct before we count it. So 50, 150, 200, 250. Let's move this down. 270, 280. Okay, perfect. And then what we have left, let's check this off before I forget. Whoops. What we have left in bachelorette is 50, 150, 250, 350, 400. All right, let's see what we have left over in our bachelorette sinking funds. So 50, 150, 250, 350, 400. we'll put that down. So 400, 20, 40, 60, 80, 500, 20, 40, 60, 80, 600. Add this back, 650, 660, 70, 80, 90, 700, 710, 720, 725, 30, 731, 2, 3, 4, 5, $735 still in Bachelorette. And yeah, we'll see. Hopefully this is enough money for the rest of that weekend. But yeah, I'm excited. It's a really thick envelope again, but I needed the cash to pull out. So here we are, $735 left in there. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick unstuffing. All right, let's see how much we are bringing back to the bank here. We have 50, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, and 320. So 320 is gonna go back into the bank. And yeah, that's pretty much it for our February transactions. Nothing too crazy, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I appreciate you guys so much for still being here, watching, commenting, all of it. It means the world, and I am doing my best to get myself out of this rut. And I even stopped watching YouTube videos all in all. I was just in a pretty low place. But we are back, and I'm really happy to be here. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!